this is how I invest, and this is how I want everybody to invest. As Jim Simons, who generated 39% per annum in his fund since 1993, I think longer than that actually, with $100 billion in trading profit, said, "I have no opinion on any stocks. The computer has its opinions and we slavishly follow them." The world's most successful hedge fund manager. Those were his words. And that's what I believe everybody should, how everybody should invest. So we give them, if they're part of my Great Investments program, we give them the data and we tell them the opinion the computer has based on the valuation of companies, revenue growth, investments. All the hard work's done for them. That way they've got a process. They're not second guessing. God forbid, they're not doing their own research. I really don't want, I don't know, a ambulance driver who's 23 years old with no expertise in investing doing their own research, which is what the fund management industry relies on, will scare you off so you give them the money. Actually, I'd rather give them the computer and its opinions and say to people, now let's work out bespoke, what is your risk appetite? You then select from the computer for your risk appetite, what's the right thing to be in. A lot simpler, isn't it? Thank you.